there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. Today we're in part 4 in the series of decluttering, cleaning and organizing our garage. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. We'd love for you to become a member of our family here. Just by pressing that subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our family. And by pressing the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded weekly. Now, let's really get started. This is part reveal of the extreme decluttering, cleaning and organizing of our garage. Later on you'll see how I've cleaned the different spaces for this overall look. This is the corner of the garage that I'll be focusing on today. I'll be taking all these are just grocery bags that I have. I'm going to organize them a little bit better. Lots of paperwork here that I'll get rid of. Last thing I have to do now is just to vacuum this area, and then I'm all done. So this is what the general area looks like now after it's been cleaned and organized. Over on this side is where our grandkids' golf bags and golf carts are, and we usually pull those out at least 3 times per week. So we're always pulling those out and putting them back during the course of the week. Of course, on the top of this counter here, we keep additional paper goods here in the garage. Then over to the left is where both my golf bag and my husband's golf bag and shoes are kept in this little caddy here. On this side here, we have a gym that we had set up during COVID. We've had it here for a year, and this was just when we weren't able to go to the gym. So we have a bench for my husband and a little stationary bike here for me. So this is what this side of the garage looks like. Over on this side here, this table has the mail, and during COVID we would sort the mail here in the garage before we take it inside the house. Of course, my tennis bag is right there. And you've seen this area before. This is a section that my grandkids' shoes and school bags are usually kept here. And then over on this side is where we have our shoes and our umbrellas, golf balls. And you saw me clean out all these cabinets here on week 1, of course. Week 1 was when we did this cabinet and put all the baskets. These were for the cleaning supplies. I have all this information in a playlist that I'll have in the description box below as well, listed in the description box below. I was able to put some things together for Goodwill, so I have this little section all set up to take to Goodwill that I'll be able to do tomorrow. And of course, this area here has, it's where I hang some of my clothes after I've washed them. So the garage is pretty much clean and organized, as you can see. I hope that this series has motivated you somehow to organize some area of your home. Again, this is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. This was my very first time actually cleaning and organizing my garage, and I'm so happy that I took the time to do this. Everything looks so much more organized. I've always done a good job, I think, inside the home, but never out in the garage. So this is my first time taking the time to clean, organize, declutter, of course, the garage, and it feels so good. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.